Hello everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Today we are going to share with you to use the copper wire to make the very simple and basic jewelries. Okay. First, I will use the wire the beads 2mm to making. Okay. First, we will use the piece of the wire 0.6. Let's going to make some very easy ring. Yeah, very basic ring. Beginning is cut it 20 centimeter. Of the wire here. Today is going to share with some very easy and basic design. Then one wire keep it at the middle, another wire let it get at the 5 centimeter. Then put the plier here, fold. Okay. After fold it, let's use this short wire 5 centimeter to wrap the 3 wire tight and tight and tight, so then it come out. It come this way. Okay, then we are going to separate the 3 pieces of the wire here. Separate the 3 wire. Then we string the beads. Let's string the beads inside. 1, 2, the 2mm beads, this one, the hole is a little bit small. One, 2. Okay, continue. Hello, embraced, happy to see you. We are today make some basic simple ring today. Okay. One, 2, 3. Four, 5. We are string 5 pieces of the beads each side. Okay, 5, 5, and another side also 5. One, 2, 3. 5. Okay. Then here we put with 6. I plan to put 6 pieces of the beads on each wire, total 3 wire. Then let's see what can we make. The beads were a little small. Okay, here. Hello, Maggie. Happy to see you. Wrapper. So here total 3 beads, 3 wire with the beads. Then we continue start to wrap it. Yeah, we are making a ring. Same. Okay, so here we are braid here first to keep the beads on the side. Then here let the beads on the side. Here, this one, fold. And the next, yeah, we not let the beads go. Yeah, we just put the 2, and this one we are not put the beads. And again, the beads. Yeah, we are not always with the beads. Some space no beads. Okay, this way. And no beads. Here. Then no beads. And the beads. Here. Yeah. Come here with the beads. Here. Wrapper. This one. Here. And the wrapper. And the wrapper. PH bracelet. It's going to make a ring today. Yeah. Hello, Tanya V. It's a ring, dear. My guess. It's a ring. Here. Come the beads. So, again, no beads. No beads. Here. Wire is the 0.6. Hi, GRX. Happy to see you. Okay, here. This one. Then cross and cross. Yeah, today we are making some very basic ring. Yeah, very basic ring. If you are interested, you can learn here. Then come again, and here again, and come the wire, no beads. Okay, here it's like this way. And the next we are going to make the end. Is here the design for the basic ring that everyone can be tried. Even you are never try handmade, this one is also work for the new starter. Here. This way, then we can use the wire to wrap the 2 wire short piece together. Okay. Here. like this. And then let's use the ring size stick. Hello, hello, happy to see you, dear. Good morning, Laura. Okay, so let's continue. Size of the wire is 0.6. Then we are make it a size 9. Then fold it here. It's like this way. Hello, Janelle, for you. And go through. Go the wire here. Size 10. Okay, we are use the wire 2 piece go through the beginning loop, and then we fold it. We fold it here. This way. Cut this one here. Tight. Wrapper. 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 And the wrapper here, here, this, and the cuts. Tight, tight. Here, it's like this. Got my order today, Della. Thank you for you, my house shoe. Okay, you got it. Okay. So this one is the ring that we just finished. Yeah, it's the piece of the ring that we just finished. It's the copper wire ring that we made here. Yeah, then let's see we are use this kind of the beads. What's the else we can make? We can make many different designs.